G6, and in today's video, I'm going to be playing Roblox Fisk, and the game actually just updated. But it doesn't seem like a giant, humongous update right now, but there was like a mini update, because on February 22nd, there will be an update. So, right now, in this new update, they added, 100% XP boost, so 2 times XP, they added. They added, like, apparently they added orcas, which actually, if you go into the ocean beast area, you can see the orcas. Right here. Search the ocean for migrating orcas. So, there's new orcas. I think that's really the only new fish. But also, we have kind of a new area. Like, if you look right here. Oh, also, Grand Reef finally has a location now. Grand Reef finally says where it actually is. So, like, you wouldn't have to, like, maybe look up a YouTube video or how to get to Grand Reef. Because, like, there wasn't an actual thing for it. But anyway, between Roslet and Sunstone, there is this little island. It's like a construction zone. And this is the shipwright dealer. And then over here, you can talk to the construction worker. I can't believe we need to build this thing that quickly. If the tight deadline you'll manage, I know it's a lot, but still, yeah, the pressure on, but the investment will pay off in the end. So, yeah. So that all happened. And also, last night, the brick rod, it was either last night or the night before, but the brick rod came out. And I will make a guide on that, how to get it. But really, that's like the whole update, to be honest. They didn't really add anything new. Besides from that little odd place. That's probably where is going to be the update place for February 22nd. Right here. It's just like a little construction piece, and they have like pillars and stuff. So that's probably going to be then. And then we just have an XP boost. So, not that crazy. But yeah, so that's all the update really added. And, like, there's nothing else new. Like, I'll check all the beast series again. But, Ancient Archives, Ancient, yeah. Yeah, Atlantean Storm, Atlantis, Brine Pool. Yeah, I don't have all of them. That's what I'll say, like 25% or something like that. So, wait, the traveling merchant's actually at Roslet. I'm gonna go to that. But anyways, that's where I'm gonna end today's like little guide on like the new update. I'm G6 and I'm out. Bye.